Good day everyone. I'm Mr. Rinaldo B. Malimban for second week E-class online learning system. Today in our lesson speak about the digital graphics. Our objectives in this unit you will be able to familiarize yourself with digital graphics, understand the concept about the digital photography, practice shooting using digital camera, recognize different photo editing software or its feature, create new Photoshop documents, know parts of the Photoshop interface, use the tools panel and create a new graphics design, transform and lasso tools. Our lesson 1 is all about digital graphics. Digital graphics is the art of using computer technology to create a digital artwork. It refers to any types of visual representation displayed on the digital device. It has the aim of composing and producing a design for a personal or business use. It can apply to different materials like stationery, CD, screen design, product packaging, posters, billboards, and company logos. The computer software that serve to create computer-generated artwork and produce digital graphics are the following. The first one is Kitpix, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Paintbrush, and Partworks. So these are our practice of planning and projecting areas and experience with the visual and textual content. Digital imaging was developed to solve the problem in film camera for the scientific and military missions, specifically the PH-11 program during that time. It was during the 1960s and 1970s that digital technology replaced the old film method. The first digital image was produced in 1920 by the British inventors Harry G. Bartholomew and Maynard D. Arcane. They developed the Burdick cable picture transmission system. The said transmission machine was named after them. There are some types of digital image file. The first one is step image, contains the details image data. It is an uncompressed material of your image data. What is the advantage? Image format is easy to work on, and the disadvantage is file is too big. Another one is JPEG or Joint Photographic Experts Group or JPG Go. In JPEG files are images that had been compressed to store a lot of information in a small size file. What's the advantage? File is small, image save memory space, but the disadvantage is hard work to work for image. 3. The GIF graphics interchange format for animation. Format compressed image different from JPEG, the compression and lossless. The advantage is the file small, it is the best format for the animations. The disadvantage is not used for photography because of the limited number of color range. 4. The PNG for portable network graphics. The file format was created as open format that allows for full range of the color and better comprehension. The advantage is good for web image and the image with text and line and art better than the JPEG. Disadvantage for the photograph or PNG is not as good as JPEG or creates a larger file. 5 is a raw image file. Files are called raw because they haven't been processed and cannot be edited or printed. The digital photography is a form of photography that uses a camera to capture image. The captured image is stored as digital file ready for processing and viewing. A. From IR, blocking filter. From B. Color filters. From C. Color blind. Or D. Light sensors. What are the characteristics of digital photographs? Digital photographs can be displayed, copied, stored, and printed. It has the ability to embed data with the image file, date, time, flash use, and model of camera. It has ability to capture and store hundreds of photographs on the same media device in the digital camera. It has ability to retouch the photo and apply filter. What is camera? A camera is the tool used capturing pictures. It is equipped with a storage system that can be saved, capture image or the video. A typical digital camera has the following. The one is a shutter button. It is used mechanism that enables the camera to capture the image. And the other one is power button. It's used to switch the camera on and off. 3 is microphone. It is used to record sound. 4. Speaker. It is used to hear the captured sound. 5. Flash. It is used to provide light or how light situations. 6. Lens. This is where the light enters to process the picture. 7. USB port. This is a terminal for USB output. It is used to connect the camera to a computer through USB connector. Another one is tripod mount. This is a socket found by the bottom of the camera. 9. Battery chamber cover. It is used to hold the battery inside the chamber. 10. Zoom. It is used to change the focus length. It can be either be zoom or zoom out. 11. Status lamp. It is an indicator that shows the condition of camera before shooting. 12. Display. It is the LCD screen found in the camera. It is also called the viewfinder. It is used to view photos before and after shooting. 13. Strap holder. An eyelet used to be placed strap. Or 14. Buttons. This is the user control buttons. It has buttons used to shoot or edit or preview the photos. The camera megapixels. One of the megapixels MP is the term that describes the camera's feature element. This is the chart of megapixels indicate how much the resolution or the print size or the photo dimension in the camera resolution. So take a look the chart on the camera resolution, print size, photo dimension, file size. When you look the file size according to the camera, we have in a 2 9 MB. We have also 1.2 MB, 2 MB, 2.5 MB, 3.2 MB, so on and so forth. So these are the indicating the resolution of the camera megapixels. How about the storage capacity of megapixels? Your capacity tells how many pictures can be saved in your memory card. Big files can limit your storage capacity. A large size memory card can make you save more. Just like according to the chart, we have the more card capacity in 512 MB down to 8 gig. Then pag the camera megapixel from 8 gig to 2020. That's the thing, or that's the size of the memory card of the storage capacity. So that's all for today's lesson in our activity 1 and 2. In your module, please answer the following direction. For more updates, please monitor our e-class online learning system. Thank you and goodbye.